force behind this incredible story. He is a well-rounded director and writer, known for his acclaimed works Maliari, Clarita, Viva One original series Deadly Love, and Viva Films Wish You Were the One. Ngayong taon, he takes the lead in directing sa pinakahinihintay na adaptation ng Bad Genius, the series sa Viva One. Sa kanyang malikhaing pananaw, handa na siyang maghatid ng isang bago at kapanapanabik na bersyon sa kwentong ito. Everyone, a warm welcome to Direk Derek Caprido. Hello, Direk. You may stay center stage. Our very good-looking, handsome director. Hello po, magandang hapon. Pati po kayo.
Good afternoon po sa inyo lahat. Maraming po salamat sa pagpunta sa aming MediaCon and cast reveal ng Bad Genius.
Alright, syempre maririnig din natin mula kay Direk kung ano ang kanyang original or twist base sa mga napanood natin worldwide. Okay, I know everyone is eager to meet the incredible cast bringing Bad Genius, the series, to life. The wait is over, ladies and gentlemen. Let's introduce the brilliant minds behind the deception. Meet Grace Ann Dizon, the ultimate it girl. She is popular, stylish, at may di mapantayang charm. Pero huwag magpalinlang, sa likod ng kanyang kaakit-akit na ngiti ay isang taong alam eksakto kung paano makuha ang gusto niya. With her wit and confidence, she plays the game her way.
When I heard that I got the part, I don't know, I just thought about how it's my best friend's favorite movie, and she also enjoyed the series then, and just to know that I'm being a part of that, I just felt really honored that I was trusted. Grace, I would say she's a very outgoing person, very kind, bubbly. She can be very energetic as well. I'm so excited. I'm really looking forward to the execution of the whole team, especially with Derek. And I trust his vision, and I know that so many people are going to like it.
Here comes Grace. A warm welcome to Hyacinth Caliado. Okay, please stay center stage for your solo photo. Again, thank you to all our friends from the press and content creators. Maraming salamat for being here. Okay, thank you, Haya. You may say a few words to everybody here.
Hello everyone, kamusta po sa inyong lahat? It's nice to see you guys, and we're very excited to share this whole project with you all. So, looking forward to it. Thank you for being here.
Thank you so much. Meet Patrick Joseph Choseco. Cool, confident, and always ready with a smile. Pero wag siyang maliitin. Sa likod ng kanyang casual na ugali, he knows how to play the game and navigate the high-stakes world he is in. Sino nga ba si Patrick Joseph Choseco? Let's all watch this.
Magkalaman din ng bigat na yun. And I was really excited and grateful na makasama si Baji. Si Baji isa siyang anak ng one of the wealthiest sa country, and then, you know, I can say, medyo mayabang. He gets whatever he wants, so through money. I think Bat is a bad genius because he's really good with money, and he uses it, you know, to get whatever he wants. And he plays a big role dito din sa gagawin nilang highest position ko ng mga clients, di ba? He's street smart, basically.
Let's hear it for Gab Lagman as Pat. Hi, Gab.
Hello, magandang hapon po sa inyo lahat. Maraming salamat po sa pagbigay ng time to be with us. And yeah.
Of course, we have Haya. Ngayon we have Gab. Hi, Gab. Hi, Gab. Okay. You may now take your seat. So how do you feel? Kasama kayo ulit sa project.
I'm very excited. I'm looking forward to working with Gab again.
Yeah, very grateful, and of course, another opportunity for us to showcase what we have in it. Yeah.
Exactly. One half of the cast pa lang yan, mga kaibigan. Bigatin na agad. Sino ba ang makakasama natin ngayong hapon? Meet Tristan Bangkat, the genius with a sharp mind and unshakable determination. Disiplinado at masipag, naniniwala siyang dapat laruin ang laban ayon sa patakaran. Pero kapag hinarap siya ng imposibleng pagpilian, mananatili ba siya sa kanyang prinsipyo o isusugal ang lahat?
Kung binigay sa akin yung project, syempre, first nagulat ako kasi after yung series, may another project. And then, at yung grateful kasi nagkatiwalaan tayo ng Viva na magkaroon ulit ng panibagong work. Si Bang ay isang mapagmahal na anak. And straightforward siya na tao. And meron siyang sariling values na sobrang sinusunod niya. Especially when it comes to following rules, you know, being definitive with right and wrong. Siguro yung very big pivotal moment niya na from being sobrang firm sa values niya to doing something really bad na I don't want to spoil everything to you guys. Abangan nyo kasi literal na naging bad genius talaga siya. Really excited. I mean, beyond words yung excitement ko kasi it's really different from everything that I did from my past. Excited akong gawin yung mga pivotal moments niya. Diba?
Put your hands together for Jairus Aquino as Bang! Napaka-pogi. Hello, Jairus!
Ayan, hello po sa inyo lahat. Salamat po sa pagpunta. And yan, enjoy lang tayo today. Thank you po.
Alright, thank you so much. At ngayon, ang sandaling pinakahihintay ninyong lahat, kilalanin si Lynette Estrella, ang henyo sa likod ng plano, the mastermind behind the scheme and the genius who changed the game.
Sa totoo lang, naiiyak ako sa bahay when I found out, parang surreal moment. And syempre naman, super grateful po kasi this is such a big opportunity and this is my first and I'm so honored to do such a great project with a great team. Si Lynn is, of course, syempre naman genius siya, pero she's also very mysterious. Maraming siyang personalities in a way, and that's going to reveal as the show progresses. And I'm excited for you guys to see that. What makes Lynn a bad genius, siguro yung intuition niya and observation skills. Dahil sobrang matalino siya. Strategizer, planner, lahat. Pero, mabait pa rin si Lynn. I'll still learn. Of course, kasi we all go through exams, we all go to school and we study, we meet friends along the way, and of course we need advice. This show, parang it replicates in there what it would be like for an average student taking their exams, yung kaba, yung excitement, yung pinagdaanan ng student for exam stress, lahat. How would I describe my excitement for this show? Ganito. Hindi ko alam kung kasya sa camera or frame, pero ganun, sobrang excited.
Please give a big round of applause for Atasha Mulak as Lynn. Yan, please say hi to our guest today.
Hello everyone, good afternoon to you all. And I just want to say maraming salamat sa oras niyo for today.
And I'm excited to tell you guys more about this project upcoming. Thank you guys.
Thank you so much. You may now take your seats. So yan na po, the moment you've all been waiting for. These are the faces behind the deception, the masterminds of the scheme at ang mga karakter na magdadala sa atin sa isang roller coaster ride ng suspense, diskarte at mga unexpected twists. Sa kwento, now let's capture this moment. May I ask our cast and director to please stand at lapit lang po tayo sa edge ng stage, and please look towards the center of the room. You may huddle towards the center. And I'm sure we're also live streaming on our social media pages. Thank you everybody who's joining us there. Thank you so much. Now let's look towards the left side of the room naman po. To all of our guests here, thank you so much for joining us. Lovely stuff. And finally, towards the right side of the room, for the benefit of our lovely content creators, maraming salamat for being here. Alright, there you have it. Maraming salamat po to our casting director. You may take your seats again. Mamaya magkakaroon tayo ulit ng another opportunity for a group photo. Alright, and now that we have met our cast, may we call on Derek. The stage is yours to share more about the story at yung vision mo for Bad Genius, the series.
Hi guys, good afternoon ulit. So yun, alam na natin, Bad Genius. Of course, maraming questions sa atin. One of the biggest question right now, I'm sure na tanong natin lahat is, anong pagkakaiba ng Bad Genius, the series, na Filipino adaptation doon sa mga unang nilabas? Especially na meron tayong expectations, kilala siya worldwide. It was done in the US, in India, and then at the same time we have the movie and the series version. So, malaki yung pinagdaanan namin to develop the whole material. Actually, the whole staff and the cast as well. We've done several workshops for them. At the same time, inaral namin ng bawat isang character nila para to give a new flavor, a new image, kumbaga, ng Bad Genius na sigurado magugustuhan ng Filipino audience. So, may mga bagay kaming dinagdag dito na hindi siya usually na makikita. So, for next slide, for the character of Lynn, alam niyo naman natin lahat kung anong character ni Lynn, a brilliant high school student, na kung saan siya yung utak at puso ng buong series. And then later on, something happened na kumbaga nag-start ang kumbaga yung the whole cheating na nangyari doon sa school and then up to the national level. So, basically, ano ba yung dinagdag namin dito? I mean, di ba, lahat naman yan ang question natin. May mga facet ng personality sila na hindi pa na-explore ng series, na yun yung kumbaga dinagdag namin to be part of this buong project. We added na nung first time na inalok nato kay Atasha, I remember is that ang takot namin is that Atasha will accept the project for this. And we were so grateful kay Atasha na nalaman namin na parang, I think it took a week bago namin nalaman kung tatanggapin niya yung project. Parang kami na nila Lins. Si Miss Lins, yung producer ko, I think nandito siya. Nasa na yun? Nagtatago yun, ayaw magpakita eh. Ayun, si Miss Lins. Sabi ko nga kayo sa babalita, tinanggap na ba? Hindi pa direct ang babalitaan dito. Ano magiging resulta ng But we were so grateful na tinanggap ni Atasha yung project for Bad Genius. So now for the character for the next slide, please. Si Grace. Medyo sophisticated yung character ni Grace eh. And we know that Hyacinth will give ng tama doon sa personality and character mismo ni Grace. We have no other person or another actor that we have in mind that will be casted other than Hyacinth for the role. Now, next slide po. Same with Gab. Yun. It was hard for us to look for kung sino yung babagay as Pat. Parang mahabang discussion to eh, kung sinong babagay for the character of Pat until we have this one sit down with all the producers and the creative team, and then isa-isa namin, and then lumabas yung pangalan ni Gab, and then I think eh, no? Bago ka namin kinausap about it eh, nung minute ka namin sa office eh. So, after that, we know na siya talaga yung personality na hinahanap namin for the role of Pat. And lastly, syempre, si Jairus. Ayun, hindi ko na sasabihin yun. Ayun. Well, si character ni Pam, pasok na pasok siya for Jairus. I know you have a lot of questions later that you want to ask about the series and how we prepare for the whole material. But right now, bibigyan ko yung mic kay Atasha.
Back to you, Direk. Okay, maraming salamat po, Direk. Now we head into our proper Q&A session. Of course, we're in our members of the press. We'll have an opportunity to ask our cast and creative team questions about the series. So here are a few reminders.